everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I'm going to be bleaching the knots on my Barbiestatushair bob wig, and I'm going to be showing you all how I pluck my wigs. So let's get into the video. Look at this hair on this wig. It's so beautiful, so flowy and bouncy. Like, y'all better shop Barbiestatushair. Okay, I opened my wig a little bit. I'm going to be starting off with my BW2 powder and my 20 developer. I'm going to be getting 2 scoops of the powder, and then I'm going to pour a little bit of developer. I don't want a consistency that's too thick, and I don't want a consistency that's too thin or like, runny. So I'm going to show y'all that here. This lumpy consistency is not what we want, so I'm going to add a little bit more developer. I'm going to add a little bit more powder because it's a little bit runny still. I like mine just a little bit thick because when I tell you it's super easy to apply it on your frontal, it's super easy and it's quicker this way. Okay, there we go. This is a consistency, so let's get to it. I like to just press mine a little bit and just paint it on. Not pressing down too hard because you don't want it to like seep through the closure, but I just like to press it a little bit and just paint it on. Once I got the areas that I needed to have bleached, I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes or so. Please do not walk away because I use 20 developer, so it goes by pretty fast and you don't want to over bleach. My knots are done bleaching, so I'm just making sure I'm getting all of that bleach out, because if you leave the bleach in your hair, it'll just have your hair feeling all greedy and just nasty. So please make sure you get all of the bleach completely out. Now I'm taking my shimmery light shampoo so I can get all that brassiness and everything out of my hair. So I'm putting that all over the frontal and making sure I massage that all in. Now that I'm finished with my purple shampoo, I'm going to shampoo with my Pantene shampoo twice, and I'm going to condition once with my Pantene conditioner. Now that my wig is all clean and everything, I took it and put it on my blockhead, combed it out. I do a zigzaggy part, 2 fingers from the edges of the wig, and that's where I began to start plucking. I pluck from there and work my way to the front. I took some of my Lotta Body foaming mousse wrap and I put it on this part, and I'm just plucking away from me. And I'm gonna finish the rest of the sides, and then I'm gonna part again, and I'm gonna just do the same motion, the same steps until I get to the front of the wig. Here's my next row. I didn't do a straight part, so here's the part, and I'm going to use the mousse, and then I'm going to pluck again. Here's just a slow-mo, satisfying video of me plucking the wig. Here's another angle of me plucking the wig. I sometimes like to do this, just put it on the side and just start going to town. And I grab the lace a little bit, and then that's when I just start plucking, because it just stretches it a little bit, so it's easy for me to pluck it better. It is like a little bit time consuming, but when you get the hang of it, then you'll get it. And bam bam, look at the wig flat. This looks like somebody's head right now. I hope this is very informative, and I hope it helped everybody that probably didn't know how to bleach knots or pluck. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.